Welcome to aminacademy.com. In numerical methods and analysis, let us discuss about Laplace-Everette's formula. Now, we know that Gauss forward interpolation formula, that is y of x0 nh equal y0 delta y0 plus n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial delta squared y minus 1 plus n into n minus 1. Now n plus 1 n minus 1 by 3 factorial delta q y of minus 1 plus n plus 1 n minus 1 n plus 1 n minus 1 and n minus 2 by 4 factorial delta power 4 y n minus 2. Now it's continue like now. From that we know that we have delta y0 equal y1 minus y0 delta q y n minus 1 equal delta square y0 minus delta square y minus 1 delta phi y of minus 2 equal delta 4 y of minus 1 minus delta 4 y of minus 2. Now we established already this. Now this all we substitute in above formula. We'll get y of x0 plus nh equal y0 plus n into y1 minus y0 plus n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial delta square y of minus 1 plus n plus 1 n minus 1 by 3 factorial of delta square y of 0 minus delta square y of minus 1 plus n plus 1 n minus 1 n minus 2 by 4 factorial into delta power 4 of y of minus 2 plus n plus 2 n plus 1 n minus 1 n minus 2 over 5 factorial of delta power 4 of y of minus 1 minus delta 4 y of minus 2, like the terms are continuing. Now here after the rearrangements we can get it. This is equivalent to 1 minus n y0 plus n y1 plus n into n minus 1 1 over 2 factorial minus n plus 1 over 3 factorial delta square y of minus 1 plus n plus 1 n minus 1 over 3 factorial delta square y of 0 plus n into n plus 1 n minus 1 n minus 2 over the common factor is 1 over 4 factorial minus n plus 2 over 5 factorial into delta power 4 y of minus 2 plus next term is n plus 2 n plus 1 n minus 1 n minus 2 over 5 factorial into here delta power 4 y of minus 1 plus the terms are containing this pattern. Now we'll simplify and get it this manner, like look at here 1 minus n of y0 plus n of y1 minus n of y1 is plus n into n minus 1 n minus 2 over 3 factorial delta square y of minus 1, this first here minus comes, then plus n plus 1 n minus 1 over 3 factorial of delta square n plus 1 here. Next, this is 4 factorial n minus 2 here, after that odd 3 factorial plus n plus 1 n minus 1 here, not there, previous thing is correct here, 3 factorial delta square y of 0 plus, that is here minus changes, n plus 1 n minus 1 n minus 2 over 5 factorial delta power 4 y of minus 2 plus n plus 2 n plus 1 n next n minus 1 n minus 2 over 5 factorial into delta power 4 of y of minus 1, like the terms continuing. Now in simplification manner we can write here, look at this 1 minus n, after simplifying that y0 is y0 plus n y1, we can write nc1 y1 minus nc3. Here this term is called as NC3. NC3 delta square y of minus 1 plus n plus 1. This is n plus 1 C3. N plus 1 C3, as you can write delta square y of 0. Next term is minus n plus 1. That is here, this term you can write n plus 1 c of 5 delta power 4 y of minus 2. Then next term is this, we can write n plus 2 of c of 5 delta power 4 y of minus 1. Like the terms are continuing like. Now for convenient we can write put n equal 1 minus p. Then we can write for that NC3 we can write in terms of n first n int n minus 1 n minus 2 by 3 factorial. We know in terms of p you can write 1 minus p because n is 1 minus p here, and for n minus 1 is minus p, then minus p minus 1 over 3 factorial. Like that we can write n plus 1 of c of 5. We can express n plus 1 n minus 1 n minus 2 over 5 factorial. Like you can express the, in terms of p you can write this one as 2 minus p 1 minus p minus p minus p minus p minus 1 minus p minus 2 over 5 factorial. Like this we can express this here. This is equivalent to minus of p plus 2 c of 5 here. Now therefore we can write, simplify, and we'll write the Laplace-Everette's formula in this manner like follows: y of x0 plus nh equal p of y0 p into y0 plus p into p square minus 1 after simplification 3 factorial into delta square y of minus 1 plus p into p square minus 1 p square minus 2 square of 5 factorial into delta power 4 of y of minus 2 and plus n y3 plus n into n square minus 1 by n into n square minus 1 by 3 factorial delta square y of 0 plus n into n square minus 1 n square minus 2 square over 5 factorial into delta power 4 of y of minus 1 plus the terms are continuing. This is called Laplace. This is Laplace-Everette. Everette's formula. Here, this formula involves only even difference on and below the center line. This involves in the even differences on and below the center line. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.